Hey guys, what's going on? It's your big dreamer and doer, G Dinero, coming to you today to break down the trade, the latest trade that James from InvestAnswers did. But first, remember, I do not provide financial, tax, investment, legal advice. I'm here to help you increase your financial literacy so that you and your family can live financially free in the future. So let's dig right in. What exactly did James do? So James just put out the following trade alert where he said, quote, I bought and sold these. Net debit $18. This buy was bigger than all of my previous synthetic longs this year combined. The optimized trend turned on the 1 hour and confluence buy signal on the 15-minute chart. Break even is $378 by January of 2027. Okay. So what did he do? He sold the 360 puts and bought the 360 calls, but he did something a little different this time. Instead of keeping them on the same expiration date, he did what's called a strangle. He ended up selling the put further out into the future, thus more than likely collecting a whole lot more money than he would have been able to collect selling it only out till January of 2027. So I'll break it down though. Here's what he did. He sold the June 15th, 2027 Tesla 360 put for somewhere around $104 a share. Again, I'm going off of his trade alert. I went back and looked at the historical pricing to get an idea of about what it was going for then. So it was going for approximately $104 a share. That means he collected $10,400 and it used up $36,000 of margin to secure or collateralize the put due to assignment risk. What does that mean in English? In English, that means by selling the 360 put, he's agreeing to buy somebody else's shares of Tesla for $360 a share. So 100 shares at $360 a share is $36,000 that he would need to come up with in case he's wrong and this closes below 360 on or before June 15th, 2027. Okay? Then on the other hand, James bought the January 17th, 2027 Tesla 360 call for $122 a share. Again, that's an approximation. That's why I said approximately $122 a share. He spent $12,200. The reason why I said he sold the put for approximately 104 and bought the call for approximately 122, he never gives us the exact prices that he sells it for and buys it for. But he does tell us the net debit of $18 a share. And if you take a look at those two, that's a net debit of $18 a share or $1,800. So he also said that the break even for this trade is $378 by January of 2027. So in James's mind, he's not taking it all the way out to the expiration of the put. He's only going out to the expiration of the call option. So when you look here on Option Strat, when I entered it in, instead it says that the break even on here is at 409.95. That's assuming that he ends up getting put the shares at some point after the call option expires, right? That's why. But James took this out in his brain only out until January 15th, 2027, because he believes by then Tesla will be well above not only 360, but 378, heck, above 400, meaning that the put is on its way to expiring worthless, or he'd be able to buy it back for a fraction of the amount that he sold it for initially. And the call option will be worth significantly more than it's worth currently, or he could always go turn around and exercise that for the share. So to give you an idea, I just kept it at whatever it opened up at. So it opened up at a maximum, if you look down the left-hand side of the screen here, of $675. So let's say Tesla gets to $675 and does so by January 15th, 2027. That would mean that this contract, the overall contract value, would be worth $312 a share or $31,200 that he could sell this thing for in January of 2027 with Tesla only going to $675. That's a difference of, turning, basically call it $2,000, $1,800, taking $2,000 and turning it into $31,000 and doing so over the next couple years with Tesla. I say only, but only going up 88% from where it is right now to $675 a share. So I hope you found value in what we went over today. If you did, go book a class with me, right? If you haven't already done one of my courses, go to gdinerocoaching.com, sign up for the TradingView technical analysis class, or sign up for the options course, whichever one works best for you. Maybe you want to learn more about these options. In fact, today I was teaching this very topic in one of my last live classes. Moving forward, everything's going to be in the recorded course version. And I might even break that trade down in there in the recorded course version for the future, so you guys would be able to see it. If nothing else, make sure you like this video so you see more of them like it. Comment down below. Let me know what you like best. Any questions, drop those down in the comment section as well. And make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you see more just like this. Again, thanks for tuning in today. I hope I increased your financial literacy that much more today so that you and your family can be financially free in the future. That's a lot of F's. And with that, G Dinero is signing out for the day. Take care. Have a wonderful afternoon. Bye.